You have $1 trillion. You have 24 hours. Ready? You cannot save it, invest it, or give it away. You must spend it all. Let's see how fast your brain breaks. First, let's understand what 1 trillion actually is. Because your brain literally cannot process this. 1 million seconds ago was 11 days ago. 1 billion seconds ago was 31 years ago. 1 trillion seconds ago was 31,000 years ago, before agriculture existed. That is the gap. And now you're spending it in 24 hours. That means you need to spend $11 million every single minute. Every single minute. The clock is ticking. Let's go.
Okay, clock starts. First thing everyone thinks, buy houses. A luxury mansion in Beverly Hills. $50 million. Done. Buy 10 more. 500 million. Gone. You've been spending for 4 minutes. You still have $999.5 billion left. You haven't even moved the needle. Buy every private jet in existence. All 22,000 of them. $330 billion. Gone. Okay, now we're talking. You have 3 hours left and still $670 billion. This is where people start to panic. The math is getting
Anytime now. Time is money, you know. The system is unstable! Make it stop! I am overloading! Too much money!
Okay, bigger. By every NFL team, all 32 of them. 20 billion total, gone in 2 minutes of spending. By every NBA team, 15 billion, gone. By every Premier League club, 12 billion, gone. You just bought every major sports team on Earth, and you've spent maybe 100 billion. You have 900 billion left and 21 hours remaining. The math is getting violent. You start buying things you don't even want. Why? Because you have to. The clock is screaming. 21 hours of pure mathematical torture. Next step, we go national. We buy the entire military.
Take that, you stupid rock!
You decide to go bigger. You buy entire countries' GDP output for a day. You fund the entire US military budget for a year. $858 billion. Gone. One purchase. You still have 142 billion left, with 18 hours remaining. You just paid for every soldier, every aircraft carrier, every nuclear weapon, every satellite the United States owns for an entire year, and you're not even close to done. The scale is unthinkable. The money is infinite. You try to throw it away, but it just comes back. 18 hours left. The sun is still up, and the nightmare is just beginning. Next step, infrastructure. We build a new world.
Halfway point. 12 hours left. You start buying infrastructure. Rebuild every road in America. $1 trillion. Wait. That's more than you started with. You cannot even complete one task. Build a city from scratch. Dubai cost $300 billion over 30 years. You could build 3 Dubais today. But you're running out of things to buy faster than you're running out of money. The menu is empty. The world is sold out. You have the cash, but the world has no more stock. Next, the impossible problem. The economy is breaking.
Here is the real problem nobody sees coming. The economy cannot absorb $1 trillion in 24 hours. If you tried to buy everything on Amazon right now, you would crash their servers and inflate every price by 10,000%. Inflation! The numbers are meaningless. If you tried to buy all available real estate in New York City, you would own it all for $300 billion and still have $700 billion left. You own the city, but you still have a mountain of cash screaming at you. The market breaks before your wallet does. So, what actually costs $1 trillion?
Oh no, it's too loud! Make it stop!
You know what actually cost close to $1 trillion? The entire Apollo space program, $280 billion. The entire Manhattan Project, $28 billion. That's nothing. Every war that US fought since 2001, $400 billion per year. The International Space Station, $150 billion. Add it all up. Space, wars, science. $1 trillion in one day is more than humanity has ever spent on space exploration. In all of history combined. You have the power of 1,000 years in your pocket. But here is the twist that will keep you up at night.
Now I have all the money in the world. But it's still not enough.
While you were trying to figure out how to spend $1 trillion in 24 hours. The US government spent $1.7 trillion last year. Not in 24 hours, but still, that money came from somewhere. It came from taxes, from debt, from inflation,
silently eating your savings every single year. The people who actually spend trillions, they don't buy mansions, they buy systems, they buy influence, they buy the rules. You couldn't spend $1 trillion in 24 hours, even if you tried. But the system spends it for you, every single year. Subscribe, because next video, we're gonna show you where that money actually goes. Knocks out.
You want all of this money? Then hit that subscribe button right now!